in the Apex Bantamweight division. Brought to you by Cowboy Jack Live Sound. Your referee for this bout will be Channing Weaver. Introducing first, fighting out in the red corner with a record 2 wins, no losses. He wears the red and white trunks and weighed in at 120 pounds. Independently fighting out of Big Stone Gap, Virginia, ladies and gentlemen, Meade. His opponent fighting out of the blue corner with a record of 3 wins, 2 losses, wearing the black trunks. He weighed in 130 pounds. Fighting out of Team Slayer in Gate City, Virginia, Jesse MacIntosh.
There you go, Meade. No. Drop your hips, drop your hips. Push off, Jesse. Push off. Push off. Try to take it down. Let's go. There you go. Get him off the cage. Turn, Jesse. Turn. Turn off the cage. Turn to your left, off the cage. To your left, Jesse. Turn, keep turning, keep turning. Keep turning, keep turning. You're fine, you're fine. Keep turning. Turn.
Walk up the cage,
Get an underhook and let's start standing up, Jesse. Underhook and start standing up. Get underhook with that left side. You're fine right there. You're fine. Put your feet down. Let's get up. Get on. Let's get up.
Get up.
Kick off. Put your feet in the middle and kick off.
Upside kick.
Let's go. Kick off. Feet on the hips. Feet on the hips. Come on, back up. Back up. Back up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. There we go. Stand up.
Stand up, Jesse.
Push into the cage with your back. Come up. Come up, Jesse.
Jesse, get up.
Stand up. Stand up.
Up there.
Stand up. Come on up. Come on up. Feet on the hips when you're ready to get up. Lock him down. Lock it down. Get the overhook. There we go. Work that side. You're fine. Keep that arm right there. Feet on the hips when you're ready. There we go. Go, go, go. Push his head down. 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 There you go. Hooks in. Hooks in.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Channing Weaver is going to stop this fight. 2 minutes, 22 seconds in the first round. Your winner by submission via rear naked choke out of the blue corner,